हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्या हाल चाल है। उम्मीद है सब बढ़िया होंगे और घर पर मज़े कर रहे होंगे। ओके, तो चलो आज हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड HCF ऑफ गिवन टू नंबर्स। HCF ऑफ गिवन टू नंबर्स बाय यूजिंग यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम। दैट इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 1 of standard 10. How to find the HCF of given two numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. So here given two numbers are 210 and 55. Here we have to find the HCF of these given two numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. So first step, we have to check which number is greater than out of these given two numbers. So here we can say 210 is greater than 55. Done. So now we can apply Euclid's division lemma. Now we are applying Euclid's division lemma by considering this 210 as a divisor and this 210 as a dividend and this 55 as a divisor. Done. So here we have to consider long division. So it's a 210 dividing by 55. So this 210 is dividend and this 55 is our divisor. So perform long division. Here 55 threes are 165. 55 threes are 165. So subtraction is 45. Subtraction of this one is 45. So now by using Euclid's division lemma, by Euclid's division lemma, what we can write? We can say this 210 this dividend is equal to multiplication of this divisor and quotient plus remainder. So it's a 55 into 3 plus 45. Now in this long division, here we can say this remainder is not 0. The remainder is not 0. So when remainder is not 0, we have to again apply this Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division algorithm. We will apply Euclid's division algorithm to find the remainder by considering this divisor. For this previous step, this 55 is our divisor and this 45 is our remainder. As remainder is not equal to 0, so again we have to apply Euclid's division algorithm, in which we will consider this 55 as a dividend and this 45 as a divider. So now we will divide this 55 with this 45. So again Euclid's division algorithm, dividing 55 by 45. Done. So here 45 ones are 45. 45 ones are 45. So here remainder is 0, which is again not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. So according to Euclid's division lemma, we can write Euclid's division lemma. We can write this 55 as a multiplication of 45 with 1 with 10. 55 is our dividend, this 45 is our divisor, 1 is quotient and 10 is remainder. So 55 is equal to 45 into 1 plus 10. Again remainder is not equal to 0, and when remainder is not equal to 0, we have to apply the next step. That is, again we have to apply Euclid's division algorithm, in which we will consider this 45 as a dividend and this 10 as a divider. So 10 as a divisor. So next step, 45 divided by 10. So 10 4s are 40. Again 5 is remainder, which is not equal to 0. So we can say by Euclid's division lemma, by using Euclid's division lemma, we can say this 45 is equal to 10 into 4 plus 5. This 45 can be written as 10 into 4 plus 5, and hence remainder is not 0. We have to apply next step, in which we'll consider this 10 as a dividend, this 5 as a divisor. So 10 is dividend, 5 is divisor. So 5 2s are 10. So now remainder is 0. So by using Euclid's division lemma, we can say 10 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 0, and here as the remainder is 0, we can say when the remainder is 0, the remainder of the previous step or the divisor in the last step can be considered as a HCF. So HCF of given two numbers are 210 and 55 is equal to 5. This 5, here you can say 5 is nothing but the divisor in last stage, or we can say रिमाइंडर इन द प्रीवियस स्टेप, है ना. ये स्टेप के आगे वाला स्टेप था, ये वाला, इसमें रिमाइंडर क्या थी 5. सो रिमाइंडर इन प्रीवियस स्टेज, रिमाइंडर इन द प्रीवियस स्टेज can be considered as the HCF of given two number. So here in the last step remainder becomes 0. So for the last step this 5 is divisor. So 5 can be considered as the HCF, or we can say the remainder in the previous stage, that is 5, is also considered as a HCF of given two numbers. Clear students? So this is how we can find HCF of given two numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. Done? So now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 2. Find the HCF of 237 and 81 by using Euclid's division algorithm. So given two numbers are 237 and 81. 237 and 81. So to find the HCF of this given two number by using Euclid's division algorithm, first we have to find which number is greater one. So here we can say 237 is greater than 81. Out of this given two numbers we have to check value of which number is greater than. Done? So जो भी सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा, है ना, उसको हम कंसिडर करेंगे डिविडेंड, एंड जो छोटा नंबर होगा, द नंबर विच इज स्मॉलर वन, दैट वी आर कंसिडरिंग एज ए डिवाइजर. सो नाउ अप्लाइंग यूक्लिड्स डिविजन एल्गोरिथम, we are performing long division. So it's a 237 divided by 81. So here 81 3s are, it may be greater than this one. So 81 2s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 162. So perform subtraction. So subtraction is 7 minus 2 5 and 23 minus 16 75. So here for this long division remainder is not equal to 0. So now we can write this 237 as a 81 multiplied by 2 plus 75. This 237 as a 81 into 2 plus 75 by using Euclid's division lemma. Now as the remainder is not 0, we have to again use the same algorithm. Done? So now for the next long division we are considering this divisor 81 as a dividend and this non-zero remainder as a divisor. So perform long division. 75 1s are 75, subtraction, so it will be 6. So again the remainder is not 0. So we can write this 81 as a 75 multiplied by 1 plus 6. as the remainder is not 0, again we have to apply that Euclid's division algorithm by considering this 75 as a dividend and this 6 as a divisor. So 75 divided by 6, it's a 6 12s are 72, remainder is 3, so now again remainder is not equal to 0, so what we can write, we can write this 75 as a 6 into 12 plus 3, writing this 75 as a 6 into 12 plus 3 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Done. So now again, as the remainder is not 0, we have to divide this 6 with this non-zero remainder. So 6 is our dividend and 3 is now divisor. So perform long division. 3 2s are 6. So now remainder is 0. So when remainder is 0, we can say the divisor in the last step is the HCF of given two numbers. So here we can write HCF of 237 and 81 is nothing but the 3. Done. Divisor in the last step or the remainder in the previous step can be considered as the HCF of given two numbers. Clear, students? So this is how you can find the HCF of given two numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. Done. Now again pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 3. Here we have to find the HCF of given two numbers 4052 and 12576 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Done. So to find the HCF of any two given numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm, first we have to find the largest number from the given two numbers. So from these two given numbers, here we can say this 12576 is greater than 4052. Done. So for our Euclid's division lambda, we'll consider this 12576 as a dividend and this 4052 as a divisor. So now perform long division. So for this long division, 12576 must be divided by this 4052. This can be considered as a divisor, this can be considered as a dividend, and this 4052 can be considered as a divisor. This is dividend, this is divisor. Now this is approximately 4000, this is approximately 12,000, so it can be divided with 3, है ना, 3 से डिवीजन करेंगे. So 4052 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 तो क्या होगा, 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15, 3 4 जा 12. Done. Now perform subtraction. So 6 minus 6 0, 7 minus 5 2, 4 minus 1 5 minus 1 4, and 12 minus 12 0. So subtraction is 420. Now here this remainder 420 is not 0, है ना. So when remainder is not 0, we have to further or we have to again apply this Euclid's division algorithm. So now we can write this dividend 12576 as a multiplication of this divisor with quotient plus remainder according to Euclid's division algorithm. And as our remainder is not 0, further we have to perform long division by taking this divisor as a dividend and this remainder as a divisor. So 4052, now this is dividend and this 420 which is remainder, now it will act as a divisor. So this is dividend and this is divisor. Now this can be divided with 9, है ना. Check it. 420 multiply by 9. So 0, 9 2 is 18, 9 4 is 36 plus 1 37, है ना, और 420 कर देंगे तो इससे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा 4. ओके, सो इट्स 3780. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्शन 2 माइनस 0 2, ये 3 हो गया, ये 9, ये 15, 15 माइनस 8 7, 9 माइनस 2, 9 minus 7 2, done. So it's 272. So again this remainder is not 0, done. So remainder is not 0. So by using Euclid's division algorithm we can say 4052 equal to 420 into 9 plus 272. Remainder is not equal to 0, है ना. The important point is remainder is not equal to 0. So when remainder is not equal to 0, we have to divide this 420 with 272, done. 420 with 272. So now this 420 divide it with 272. 420 is divided by 272. So what is the division? It's a 272 ones are 272. Subtraction, this is 1, this is 10, so it's 8. Now again this is 3, this is 11, so it's 4, and this is 1, 148. This is again not equal to 0. So now we can write this 420 as a 272 multiplied by 1 plus 148 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Remainder is not 0. So when remainder is not 0, again we have to apply the same Euclid's division lemma, है ना. जितनी बार रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं होगा उतनी बार आपको फिर से Euclid's division algorithm अप्लाई करना है और रिमाइंडर फाइंड करनी है. So now for this case we'll consider this 272 as a dividend and this non-zero remainder 148 as a divisor. So again 148 1 जा 148 2 जा करेंगे तो इससे बढ़ जाएगा. Now subtraction, so this is 6, this is 1, 12 minus 8, so it's a 4, 6 minus 4 2, and this is 1. So again this is not equal to 0. So we can say 272 is equal to 148 plus 1 plus 124. And here again remainder is not 0. So again when remainder is not 0, again we have to apply Euclid's division algorithm, dividing this 148 by 124, done. Now this is dividend, this is our divisor. 124 2s are 148. So now remainder is 0. So here we can write this 148 equal to 124 multiplied by 2 plus 0. And here as the remainder is 0, so what we can say, this divisor in the last step is nothing but the HCF of this given two number. Hence our answer, HCF of given two numbers are 4052 and 12576 is nothing but the 124. 124 is the HCF of given two numbers. Clear students? A very good questions. Now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 4. Very simple question is there. Find the HCF of 65 and 117 by using Euclid's division algorithm. So what is the first step? We have to find the larger number from this given two number. So here we can say this 117 is greater than 65. So now apply Euclid's division algorithm. So for that we have to perform long division. So divide this 117 by 65. 117 is dividend and 65 is divisor. Done. So 65 ones are 65. Perform subtraction. So here subtraction, we are getting 7 minus 5, 2, 11 minus 6. So it's a 52. So now 52 is the remainder which is not equal to 0. So when remainder is not equal to 0, what we have to do? We can say this 117 is 65. 65 multiplied by 1 plus 52. So when remainder is not equal to 0, we have to again apply Euclid's division algorithm. We'll apply Euclid's division algorithm on this 65 and 52, and for that this 65 will be considered as a dividend and this 52 can be considered as a divisor. So 65 divided by 52. So 52 ones are 52. Subtraction. So you will get 13. Again this 13 is remainder, is not 0. So we can say this 65 is equal to 52 multiplied by 1 plus 13, and hence remainder is not 0. We have to apply this division algorithm again, and for that we'll consider this 52 as a dividend, 52 as a dividend, and this non-zero remainder 13 as a divisor. Now 13 fours are 52. Now remainder is 0. So as in this step we are getting remainder 0. So the divisor in the last step, can be considered as the HCF. Divisor in the last step is nothing but the remainder in the previous step, this one 13. So we can say HCF of given two numbers. Which two numbers? 65 and 117 is nothing but the 13. Done. So now I think it is clear to all the students how to find the HCF of given two numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. Clear, students? Now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now last question. Here, if the HCF of these two numbers 210 and 55 is expressible in the form of 210 multiplied by 5 plus 55y, find the value of y. Question is find the value of y. Done. A very good question from the R.D. Sharma. So HCF of this given two number is expressible in this form. In short, we have to find the HCF of this given two number which is in this form. Done. So our first step is to find the HCF of this given two number, and for that we have to find the largest number which is 210. So here we can write 210 is greater than 55. Now we will apply Euclid's division algorithm. For that 210 is dividend, 55 is our divisor. Perform long division. 210 divided by 55. कौन से नंबर से डिवीजन होगा? 55 फोर जा करेंगे तो it will be greater than 210. So 55 3 जा 165. Done? Yes. So it's a 45. Remainder is 45 after subtraction. So here remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not 0. So again we can write this 210 is nothing but the 55 multiplied by 3 plus remainder 45. As the remainder is not equal to 0, this remainder is not equal to 0, we have to further apply the Euclid's division algorithm, and for that we will consider this 55 as a dividend, and this 45 as a divisor. So 45 ones are 45. Subtraction, we are getting 10. Again remainder is not 0, therefore 55 is nothing but the 45 plus 1 plus 10. Done. As the remainder is not 0, we have to further apply Euclid division algorithm, and for that we will consider this 45 as a dividend, this 10 as a divisor. So 45 divided by 10, 10 4s are 40, remainder is 5. Again this is not equal to 0, this is not equal to 0, so we can write 45 as a 10 into 4, 10 into 4 plus 5, remainder is not 0, so remainder is not 0. Further we have to apply Euclid division algorithm, and for that we have to consider this 10 as a dividend, 5 as a divisor. So divide 10 by 5, divide 10 by 5, so it's a 5 2s are 10. Now students, we are getting remainder as a 0, remainder 0 आ गई. So 10, we can write 10 as a 5 into 2 plus 0. So जब हमें रिमाइंडर 0 मिलेगी, हमें हमारा HCF मिल जाएगा, हमें हमारा HCF मिल जाएगा. So here HCF of given two numbers 210 and 55 is equal to, जब रिमाइंडर 0 होगी तब हमारा जो डिवाइजर होगा वो हमारा HCF होगा. So HCF is 5. Clear students? Now this is not solution. Read the question. We are given that HCF is expressible in the form of 210 multiplied by 5 plus 55y. Find the value of y. जब हम y की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तब हमारा आंसर आएगा. Done. So here to find this y, what we are given? We are given that HCF is, so HCF is 5. So this HCF is expressible in this form. So it's a 210 multiplied by 5 plus 55y. So from this equation we have to find the value of this y. We have to find the value of this y. Why? Because वो हमारा आंसर है. So now students, 55y is equal to, taking these terms on the left hand side, so it's a 5 minus 210 into 5. Therefore 55y equal to 5 minus 210 into 5 कितना होगा? 1050. So 55y equal to 5 minus 1050, it's a minus 1045. Therefore y equal to minus 1045 divided by 55. करो डिवीजन, क्या होगा? डिवाइड बाई 5, 5 11 55, 5 2 10, 0, 5 9 45, 11 1 11, 9 11 99. So y is minus 19 is the answer. This is the answer. So find the value of y, that y is minus 19. Clear students? Now pause this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Done? Thank you.